Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. The chip is the M3 Pro. The RAM is 18 gigabytes. The 512 gigabyte the storage. You can see this is ILL means this is US version, and the graphics 18 cores. The the battery information 94% of the battery, and let me show you the price. Okay, this is the Chinese yuan, the price. This is the US dollars, the Europe, and the GPT. Okay. Also, you can check out the price on my website. And let me show you. This is my website, metastation.com, and they click the menu and the Pro 16-inch, and you will see this machine. Okay. Now let's see the this machine. The condition is not very good. You can see the scratch here. Also, the top cover, you can see the scratch here, and here's also a little scratch. And let me show you the back. You can see the back, the scratch here. Okay, let me show you the charging port. The charging port. Okay, and the other side, little scratches. Okay, and then let me show you the display. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let me change the wallpaper. Okay, the wallpaper, no problem. And let me show you the other color, the red color. Also, no problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, this is the M3 Pro 16-inch. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can check out my website. Okay, this machine, the keyboard backlight, no problem. Okay.